Hello everyone. Let us evaluate this integral. Integral of under root 1 plus cos 2x integral with respect to x. First of all, represent given integral as I. Hence, I is equal to integral of square root of 1 plus cos 2x and its integral with respect to x. Hence, I is equal to integral of 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x under root 2 cos square x integral with respect to x. Since you know trigonometrical formula 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, and here I is equal to, we can write integral of square root of 2 into cos square x can be written as square root of 2 into square root of cos square x, its integral with respect to x. And square root of cos square x, here this square cancels with this square root, hence integral becomes I is equal to square root of 2 into cos x integral with respect to x. But square root of 2 is constant coefficient, you can take this outside the integral sign, hence I is equal to square root of 2 integral of cos x integral with respect to x. But we know the formula, since integral of cos x integral with respect to x is equal to sin x. This is standard formula of integration. Hence, I is equal to square root of 2 into integral of cos x is sin x plus integral constant c. This is solution of given sum, which is answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.